Hi guys, good morning. For today's video ay nandito tayo ngayon sa ating garden area. Sobrang dami po ng okra oh, ang lalaki na. Ayun. Matigas na eh. Tumigas na yung okra eh. Over ano na. So what's happened? Okay. Ang problema nga lang ay ang lalaki po ng okra. Ata nalatay pabuta di ko sa ako. Di na hindi Bex. Oh yeah, sure bang. Ay natangkunon. Natangkunon. Ay, excuse me. Kurang kerten ana aja. Entah takitan tayo aja ko apa ipakwan. No dapat makita tanga pakwan. Atay ipabukin ni biksatan. Baglang tako nag-growth kami di kodtani. Kita po na yan. Makapainlab tikas to no nagadunga bunga. Makapayat. Makapayat di ko puso. Kata agala kami pang kami di ko sitaw land. Enta nagala tapay ti ko. Sitaw. Ito ni pag ayun babalinta at magnadto ni. Oh, yan guys oh. Parang Christmas light. Yung kamatis. Ano to ni? Let's see this. Is this already natangkan? Ay. Mabalim pa yun. Nagad dayo. Oli. We have this maraming string bean here. Oh, they are also in the ground. Oh. Tomato is on the ground.
This is the place. It's lots of grass.
Lots of green.
You need to go to the CR. Now I have stars. Thank you so much.
Yun, dagto da ba ni? This is amazing.
That is my cousin.
Yeah.
Cousin,
Hello. Oh, ato ni kat mo. Do you want another sombrero, cousin?
Yes.
I have ano. You should have been.
Look. Where's this is Zambales? Somewhere in the Philippines. Woo.
No, mapno tatakwatan na eh. Hindi ko lalarga na tayo. So guys, ito po ang madami pang bunga. Actually, nasa baba sila eh. Yung mga iba oh. Okay.
Sombrero, yes, I have sombrero.
Tatapusin ko na ang ating video. Dahil napakainit na. Uni, nagkitam ni ko tarong. Kahit magtarong. So this is our improvement of the resort. As you can see, before we don't have table or anything and everything, but now we have everything, like the table and chairs. Puna English and mali-mali. Trying hard.
Yes, I love them. Oh.
Ayan. Ito po ang ganap sa sa Riverside. Actually nag-improve na siya eh.
It's a resort.
Ayan oh. Oh, ang ganda-ganda, di ba?
Swimming pool.
Yes. And what makes this place cool? It looks cool because we have the baba. Di ba ang astig? I like this. Forever young. Dapat kuma, aji, agkaroon tayo mati, aji ka. Huwag muna tayong umuwi. Aji, kunta ni.
May oyster, masusukat yung gisasyon.
Ayos aja eh. Pag-ahon niya, sugat-sugat ng mukha niya.
It's very expensive. This place only is like how much?
Ne, nagadungal sida. May ka na? Kita ma?
No.
Ang daming isda. It's beautiful. It's beautiful day. Yun, nagmet. Actually, ganda na dito.
20 million in peso.
Madinga kami.
Ang bilis, maglina. Because every year it's going up.
Kasi ne? Oyster. Ana? Ni, may ka na. Nagadunga si DJ ne. Nagdudakkel. Ay, nabanugkan. Shit, ang daming isda.
It's 35 million. 35 million. 35.
Ay, adat, Jibangir, 30 million. Turuin lang. Huwag mong...
5 million in peso. I don't know, guys, if it's how much in the
Overall, badik.
US dollar now. I don't know.
57. And so nice here. Wow, it's amazing. Actually, this is the perfect time for camping. Kasi napakaganda. And ang daming isda ngayon ni. Kita mo ni nagmaytag kun ni. Nagmaytag sigay nagaduti lamos. May sis pa, may kasin.
Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog.
May kasin from another mother. All right.
No, 650,000 US dollars. Oh?
Ayan, nakapagwalis na ako.